If there are any problems or questions you have, you can ask.
So the comparison mortal key or degree mortal key or
The comparison of adjectives, we can say like this, in the degrees of adjective.
what I say.
Yes. Next. Nothing to ask? Okay. Regarding adjectives, the only topic that we didn't study is the ordering adjectives. Let me first give you an example. For example, I have two beautiful red big bikes. Can you see anything wrong in this sentence? Is there anything that must be changed? I have two beautiful red big kites or bikes.
There are three adjectives: beautiful, red, big. I think we need comma.
We need to use a comma between red and big.
And beautiful.
I think I have beautiful
Red and big bikes. There must be a conjunction. We should replace these two words. Like I have two beautiful big red bikes. Why?
That's it.
Sayyid Azim. Anyone else? Well, ordering adjectives tells us when we want to use more than one adjective before a noun, there must be a specific order. That order is called the order of adjectives or ordering adjectives. And that order is, first, you have to mention the determiner before a noun. Number two, opinion. The adjective that talks about the opinion, like the quality of something. Number three, size. Number four, shape. Number five, age.
Color.
Number six, color. Number seven, origin.
Yes.
And number eight, material. An adjective is a word. We define adjective as an adjective is a word which modifies a noun or a pronoun. An adjective is a word which describes a noun or a pronoun. What specifically does it modify in a noun or a pronoun? So an adjective determines a noun, shows the quality of a noun, the size of a noun or pronoun, the shape, the age, the color, origin, or material of a noun or a pronoun. An adjective is used to describe different things in a noun, like them. So if you want to use all of them before a noun, there must be an order. And that order is, at the beginning, you have to mention a determiner. And you studied determiners yesterday, or I think in the class before that. Like the possessive adjectives, the interrogative adjectives, the demonstrative adjectives, articles, and quantifiers, they're determiners. They must be used at the very beginning. Like here with this word, bikes, I have mentioned 4 adjectives actually. 2 is also an adjective, which is a determiner, beautiful, red, and big. 4 adjectives. So there must be an order. Like determiner is used first. To is determiner. It is a quantifier. If you want to use this word after beautiful, red, or bike, that would be wrong. Because determiner is used at the very beginning before a noun. Next, opinion. An adjective that shows the opinion. Opinion means the quality of a noun or pronoun. Like beautiful, good, bad, and so on. So the adjective that shows the opinion of a noun must follow the determiner, like the word beautiful. If you replace these two words, that would be wrong. Like I have beautiful 2 bikes. That is incorrect. You have to say I have 2 beautiful bikes. And number 3, you have to mention the adjective that shows the size of a noun, like small, big, high, and so on. If I want to use the word big for bike, it must be used before the color. Color is here and size is before this. So the word big is an adjective which talks about the size of a noun, and red is also an adjective which describes the color of a noun. So color, the adjective of size, should be used before the adjective of color. So you have to replace these 2 words. Like instead of saying I have 2 beautiful big red bikes, you have to say I have 2 beautiful big red bikes, because the adjective of size is used before the adjective of color. So it must be like this. Big red bikes. Then an adjective that describes the shape, like the rectangular, the circular, round, and so on. Then the adjective of age, like old, new. Then the adjective of color, then origin. Origin means that which country is it from? Which country is it made in? So then you have to mention the adjective of origin. And finally, the adjective that describes the material, like glass, metal, plastic, that what exactly that thing is made of. Then you have to mention it at the end of the list of the adjectives. I have 2 beautiful big red bikes. If you want to add the word new, where should we put this?
New.
If I want to use the word new as well for bikes, so where should I put this?
Before beautiful.
Which part of the sentence?
With beautiful or before beautiful?
I have 2 beautiful big red bikes. Where should I put this word? Here, I have 2 beautiful new big red bikes. Think about it. The word new shows the age. Yes, old, new. It shows the age of something. It must be mentioned between color and size. You have to say like, I have 2 beautiful, big, new red bikes. It shows the age of something. If I want to add the word Japanese, where should I put this word?
Beautiful Japanese.
I have 2 beautiful Japanese big red bikes. Anyone else?
Oh, big, red.
Red Japanese bikes.
Big red Japanese
bikes.
bikes. The word Japanese shows the origin of a noun. It must be used after the adjective of size, shape, color, and age. So it must be written, I have 2 beautiful big red Japanese bikes. So this is called the order. The order of using many adjectives before a noun. And if you want to learn it quickly and easily, so learn this abbreviation. I tried a lot to find, a meaningful abbreviation from them, but I couldn't find it. So you can learn this one. په خوستۍ ژبه کې دوسه کوم یعنی زه دوی څه کوم چې دوی هر څه کوي دوسه کوم DOSSACOM دا به زده کوي دا هم چې زده کړ د دې ابریویشن نه هر یو به تاسو پوهېږئ چې کوم مخکې راځي کوم وروسته راځي determiner opinion shape size size age color origin and material په همدې طریقې سره adjective چې کله noun نه مخکې یوز کوئ په همدې طریقې سره
I have two beautiful and beautiful.
Okay, if you remind the question, you can write it down. So first write them, then this abbreviation, and write down this example.
I have beautiful two big and red bikes.
Incorrect. Determiner must be used before the adjective of opinion.
If it is like what as well as interrogative determiners, possessive determiners, all of them.
Yes, all of them must be used first.
So I think you have to, you can say, use, you can say, practice another example in this.
Okay.
Materials are like a
څه شي نه جوړ دی پلاستیک ګلاس میټل ووډ
adjective راځي.
او ناون هم راتللی شي adjective هم راتللی شي metal فلز ته ویلی کېږي metal فلزي ته ویلی کېږي
I made this one from metal from salt.
Yes, metal can be a noun and also an adjective. Metal fels or metal filzy. But wood is a noun and wooden is an adjective. Wooden be actually the wood adjective form the largina jod showe.
Origin certificate अनुसार के origin के हेवा नूसी.
Origin हम देते वाले की जो कुम छुपोरे मरबूत थे.
कोम सरचने सहारा का सरशवे के मवाद चले जो शुई.
मवाद में material शु.
Material. खाली हेवा दराजे वाला.
Origin वो चीज़ कुम ज़ेना देना. څنګه هغه چې د میټیریل شو کدا په کې وی دا په وخت استعمال کې دا بروس استعمال کې کدا په کې نه دا به استعمال چې شنه چې جوړ
I have two beautiful red Japanese iron bags.
Japanese iron bikes. Yes. Japanese must be mentioned first because it talks about the origin of a noun and then the material later on.
So do you have any sentence which in these all you can say cases are of one sentence? That will be
A sentence where we have to mention all of them? Okay, we'll write an example that I have written in the chapter. For example, I need a car. Is a determiner.
article mungna de vele construction.
Article is also a determiner, isn't it?
No.
It is. I need
Dam be
a good car. Oh, articles to determiners there. A good car.
Yeah.
I need a good small car. So small shows the size. In shape, for example, I need a good small round car. Round shows the shape, then age, for example, I need a good small round
2023.
old car.
Now, sir, this English will electrically
دا کولای شو په ایج کې ذکر کو
She's
څومره
30 years old.
چې څومره زوړ څومره پخوانی موټر
She's,
دلته په ایج کې به ذکر کو
she's 30 years old. Whether kila age 30 years old show.
30 years چې دی دلته دغه 30 کلمه خپله دا ډیټرمینر دی نمبر دی اوس نمبر چې کله ذکر کیږي دا ټولو سر کې استعمالوم for example a 3 years old beautiful car اوس چې کله ډیټرمینر راغی سر کې ذکر کوو
Do tagatong lang ng sentence o yung mana or take na. Dahil kasi si Yawaze,
معنا خو دا ټول ورکوي چې هر یو تاسو مخکې وروسته کړئ.
na baka according grammar wrong da.
او خو چې مونږه کله د یو نه زیات adjectives د noun سره استعمالو دا باید په دې order سره مونږ استعمالو یو specific order سره کنه کله هر یو مخکې وروسته کو معنا ورکوي خو ګرامري غلط دی ګرامري باید دا په یو order کې موجود وي color for example I want to mention red like I need a good small round old red car and origin like I need a good small round kami use ki the determiner na ghair or the opinion na small round old red car noun sara bem na warko small round delta ba na warko small a good small round old red Chinese car a good small round old red Chinese आखिर के प्लास्टिकी को खबर खत्मश लास्ट अदोने सिबतन प्लास्टिकी मॉडल ला पारा को दा टोल पे ऑर्डर सर यूज
Sir G, opinion sir wali kawan sa baraki reasons ta?
څنګه
Opinion sir. Awal ni sa barako.
opinion سره यूज کیږي صرف determiner سره نه यूज کیږي
Good for opinion.
دلته هم یوز کیږي صرف determiner چې کوم یوز کیږي determiner او opinion ترمنځ کامې ضرورت نه او اخیرانه ناون چې کوم راځي اخیرانه ناون مخکې به هم کامه یوز دواړه به سره نه بیلو
Car determiner solution.
څنګه
Car یې کنه
ناون
نه determiner car یې
او determiner چې هر یو راغی ناون نه بیلو د بل adjective چې ورپسې راځي هغه نه بیلو
نه رخصت دی سکیل ډاټ درس کم پات ویدی کارول نیمه کو ولس
دا به هغه ځای کې ذکر کوو چې ایج راتللی شي
به موسی
ما وخت ویل چې determiner په ځای باندې به یوز کیږي سر کې determiner پر ځای نه ایج چې کوم ځای کې راځي هلته به چې دی دا ذکر کیږي
چې موږ کولی شو که نه
2 کلن 3 کلن 4 کلن
یو نام دپاره دو سمپل لکه 2-3 اوپینین adjectives لپاره
او کولای شو چې مطلب qualitative adjectives د یو نه زیات د ناون لپاره موږ استعمال کوو لکه مثال زه وایم چې I love honest generous and hard working people
دې کیس کې مې دا شان دي دوه ایج
هغه ټول opinions دي او ایج کې هم هر یو به کولای شو مخکې وروسته کړي
لکه 30 years به اول راځي سیف
دلته دا 30 years old یا 30 year old مکمل یو فریز دی دا سره بیلو نه ټول یو فریز دی چې ایج ښایي دا ټول به په یو ځای باندې استعمالیږي که هر یو نه مخکې وروسته کېږي بیلیږي نه چې 30 years بیل شي اولډ بیل شي ځکه دا اولډ کلمه خو د 30 years سره ده نو 30 years old یا 30 year old یو فریز دی مکمل نو دغه یو فریز مکمل ایج بیانوي نه دا چې یوازې اولډ کلمه به کې ایج بیانوي دا ټول مکمل فریز چې دی ایج بیانوي